Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming from a different place. I decided to do a little change of scenery. So I'm actually in my living room and I'm sitting on my good old dining table. Nothing fancy. I thought it'd be kind of nice to do a little bit of a change from my boring background. But today's video is going to be a quick one. I just want to quickly show you the Louis Vuitton piece. It's an SLG that I picked up recently. Actually, not recently, but a few weeks ago. I was at the store and I was wanting to purchase something and they didn't actually have something that I was looking for. So I don't know, I kind of asked my SA if she had this piece in stock because it's always sold out and they never seem to have it. And she actually did have it. So I picked it up. And while I kind of open this and show you, I wanted to give you a hint that I actually already own this SLG in another pattern, another style, and I just picked it up again because I have been continuously using that one ever since I got it, really, and it still looks brand new. It's in a really good condition, and I've always wanted to add another one of them. So I'm talking a lot, but let me just quickly show you what I picked up. So there's my receipt. I think you guys can probably tell what it is, and it's kind of stuck in there, so it's not going to let me do that cute little thing where I open it and show you. But here is the piece. Oh my god, I think it's stuck again. Wait a second. Okay, that was a bummer. But here's the piece. It's a key clay in the Monogram canvas. And yeah, like I said, I already have another one of this piece. Actually, let me first show you the piece up close. Here we are. So it's got Monogram canvas with like one big LV in the middle. And here we are on the inside. So these are the stickers that come with it. And then here we are on the inside. So that's what it looks like. It's still got a little plastic sticker on it. So I really like it. I knew that it's a brand new piece, which is what I want, obviously, right? And yeah, so this one, I don't know if you guys could see, but it does say Louis Vuitton Paris on one of the sides, which also means that this piece is actually made in the USA, which is I guess I'm okay with it. I don't mind at all. And she actually had a few in the stock when I went to pick, or when I was buying this, and then I was looking through all of them and I picked up the one that was in the best condition, because we know that key clays are known to have like big stitchings around the corners. So I'll quickly show you the stitching of this one in case you're wondering. So it's not really small stitching, but it's not huge stitching either. And let me actually show you the one that I already have. Like I said, I already do. So this is the bag that I'm using right now, and it's packed with my stuff. But the one that I already own is this one here. So this is the same one, but this is in the Damier bean. And let me show you how I use it. So I have like bobby pins and hair ties and stuff in there because I have long hair, and I'm always either like I'm tying my hair and then untying, and it's starting to get really hot now. So if I'm feeling really hot, then I just kind of like tie my hair. So I need to have my bobby pins and everything all the time. But here is the pieces right by. I just want to put this in so that I can show you properly. But here we are. So here are the two pieces side by side. And then here they are from the side. And this one is obviously stuffed up and this one is empty. So just keep that in mind because this one looks a little bit squished. But here they are. And then here they are. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That was going to be a quick unboxing. I just wanted to quickly show you the piece I picked up. And I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the piece that I already own, and this is the new one. So you can see like a tiny bit of tarnishing on the piece that I already own, like on the zipper side. So if you look at the zipper on the right hand side, you'll see like a little bit of tarnishing going on over there. But otherwise, this piece is still brand spanking new. Actually, you can see like the zipper is also a little bit like dark and a little bit tarnished. Not a big deal, but you can see like you can definitely tell the difference between the new zipper and the old zipper. And I've had this one since, I want to say, 2020 Christmas. So I got it at the end of 2019 Christmas. So that's when I got this one. So it's been quite a few years, 3 years at least, and yeah, well, 2.5 years, and I've continuously used it ever since I got it. It's always like from one bag to another, and it's held up really, really good. So if you are looking to purchase this, then I highly recommend it. I think there isn't anybody out there who wouldn't recommend this. I mean, this is one of the most favorite and most loved pieces from Louis Vuitton. But that really does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys out in my next video very soon. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing down below. I would really appreciate it. Otherwise, take care and see you soon. Bye.